Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to cook beef pulao. So first of all we will put some oil. It's less than half cup of oil. Some onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Half teaspoon salt. This is half teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin, 4 or 5 cloves, some black pepper, small stick of cinnamon. Onion is almost fried. Now we'll put our meat. Mix it. This is our yakhni biryani masala. It will go in. And put some tomatoes. 5 cups of water. Put pressure cooker. This will cook for 40 minutes. Meat is well cooked. I will check the salt now. I will put 1 teaspoon of salt. Put some chilies, red chili pepper flakes, just for some spiciness. Ginger. This is our basmati rice. So we are cooking 3 cups. Put some more ginger, prunes, aloo bukhara. So let's cook it. Now I am cooking it on rice menu for 14 minutes. Let's open it. Our rice, today's pulao is ready, and we will dish out this pulao. This is our dish today. The meat is very well cooked and very flavorful. Bismillah. Very nice taste and flavorful. So enjoy.